Shopping in China? Here's how to make it easier with useful Chinese phrases. Ni hao, ni hao. Hello. In the bustling streets of China, greetings are the first step to any interaction. Whether you're entering a store, meeting someone for the first time, or simply passing by, a friendly ni hao, is a common and polite way to start a conversation. It's a simple phrase, yet it carries the warmth and hospitality that is deeply embedded in Chinese culture. As you walk through the vibrant markets, you'll hear this greeting echoing from every corner, inviting you to explore and engage with the local community. Now let's delve a little deeper. When you want to express your intention to purchase something, you can say, wo xiang mai, which translates to, I would like to buy. This phrase is incredibly useful when you're shopping, as it clearly communicates your desire to make a purchase. Imagine you're in a bustling market surrounded by the rich aroma of spices and the colorful display of goods. You spot something that catches your eye, and with a polite, wo xiang mai, you can easily express your interest to the vendor. These basic phrases are not just about language, they are about connecting with people and experiencing the culture firsthand. So next time you find yourself in a Chinese-speaking environment, remember to start with a warm ni hao and confidently express your needs with wo xiang mai. It's a small step that opens the door to a world of new experiences and interactions. Duo Shao Qian, how much is it? Ke yi bian yi dian ma, ke yi pian yi dian ma. Can it be a bit cheaper? In the heart of a lively Chinese market, the air is filled with the aroma of fresh produce and the sound of lively chatter. Shoppers weave through the narrow aisles, their eyes scanning the colorful array of goods. The market is a vibrant tapestry of sights and sounds, where every stall tells a story of tradition and culture. Here, the art of negotiation is as much a part of the experience as the shopping itself. Vendors proudly display their goods, each item meticulously arranged to catch the eye of potential buyers. The question, duo shao qian, how much is it, is a common refrain, echoing through the market as shoppers inquire about prices. Haggling is not just a transaction, it's a cultural exchange, a dance of words and gestures. Shoppers often ask, ke yi bian yi dian ma, ke yi pian yi dian ma, can it be a bit cheaper? Hoping to strike a deal that satisfies both parties. This interaction is a delicate balance of respect and assertiveness, where both buyer and seller engage in a friendly yet strategic dialogue. The market is more than just a place to buy goods. It's a community hub, a place where relationships are built and stories are shared. Each negotiation is a moment of connection, a chance to learn about the person behind the stall and the history of the products they sell. It's a reminder of the rich cultural heritage that thrives in these vibrant spaces. As the day progresses, the market continues to buzz with activity, a testament to the enduring tradition of bargaining. It's a lively dance of commerce and culture, where every transaction is a step in the rhythm of daily life. The art of asking prices and negotiating is a cherished practice, one that brings people together in the shared pursuit of value and understanding. Tai gui liao, tai gui lei. It's too expensive. In bustling street markets across China, bargaining is not just a skill, but an art form. Shoppers and vendors engage in a lively dance of negotiation, each trying to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. The phrase, tai gui liao, tai gui lei, is a common starting point in this dance, signaling the buyer's intent to negotiate a better price. It's a phrase that echoes through the vibrant alleys filled with colorful stalls and the aroma of street food. As the negotiation progresses, the buyer might express interest by saying, wo mai liao, wo mai lei, I'll take it. This indicates that the buyer is satisfied with the price and ready to make the purchase. The exchange is often accompanied by smiles and nods, a testament to the friendly nature of these interactions. In these markets, every item has a story, and every purchase is a small adventure. From handcrafted trinkets to fresh produce, the variety is endless. The art of bargaining is a way to connect with the culture and people, making each transaction more than just an exchange of money for goods. It's a cultural experience that leaves both parties feeling accomplished and satisfied. Jexi, thank you Zaijian, goodbye. Try these phrases next time you're shopping in China. Happy shopping in Chinese. Zaijian. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Visit the link in the description for one-on-one lessons with an online Chinese teacher.